How to update payment on Netflix. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can update your payment on Netflix. To do so, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type netflix.com. Then press enter to browse it. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will reach to this interface of Netflix. Now hover your cursor to your profile icon in the top right corner and from the drop down menu, here select account. Once you select it, you will be taken to the account settings page. Once you reach to this page, you scroll down and under quick links, you will find manage payment method. Click on this option and once you reach to this page, here you will find your MasterCard that you have linked previously. Now if you want to update it, here you will find update button right next to your card number. You just simply have to click on this update and from there you can update your payment method. After that, your payment method will be updated and Netflix will use the new information for your future billing cycles. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.